Who's B-Boy King? Who's B-Boy King?
What's up guys? I'm Bboy Duang. Ngayon magtuturo naman tayo ng 7-step mix with a knee footwork style. Pero bago ang lahat, please subscribe to my channel, Bboy Duang TV. Click like and click notification bell. Come on, let's go!
Eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the word.
So yun guys, start tayo sa ginawa natin ngayon na 7-step mix with a knee footwork style. Una kong ginawa kayo na guys, nag-top rock, then nag-go down tayo. Then ang unang naging start natin is from here. So yan guys, yung naging start natin. So ganyan guys, bago natin gawin yung 7-step, then mix natin ng knee footwork style. Alright? Unang ginawa natin, from here, nakaganito tayo guys. Dito tayo mag-start. Then, nag-step tayo from here. Then, ito guys, depende sa inyo kung kaliwa ba o kanan ang gagamitin. Pero ako, gagamitin ko yung kanan. So, 1, 2. So, after ng 2, babalik tayo para sa knee. I-hook natin yung kaliwa natin sa kanan. Then, magda-down yung kanan natin na knee. Alright? From here, ulitin lang natin. From dito guys. Then, 1, 2, then balik, knee, then turn around. Alright? Ulitin lang natin. From here, 1, 2, hook, knee, then turn around, twist lang guys, then diretso na to guys, nagganito tayo, then diretso na natin dito, 3. Alright? Ito na guys yung magiging lugtong sa ginawa natin 2-step, then papunta na sa 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Tignan natin, dahan-dahanin natin. From here, 1, 2, balik sa hook, back hook, 3 knee, then turn around, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Ngayon, bilisan lang natin ang konti. Okay guys? From here, 1, 2, hook, knee, turn around, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? That's we call 7 footworks mixed with a knee footwork style. Alright? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, sasabihan natin siya ng dalawang up rock, then go down. Alright? From here, ginawa ko kanina, tulad na sinabi ko, top rock muna ako, then go down, then open. Alright? One more. Top rock, then go down, open, then 2-step. Muna, 1, 2, hook, knee, turn around, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Ngayon, gagawin natin, bibilisan natin ng konti. Okay guys? 3, go! Hook, turn around, 3, 4, 5. Right. Ngayon, bibilisan na natin. Alright? So, marami kayong pwedeng i-create guys pag nakuha nyo na yung mga iba-ibang footworks. Alright? Okay, let's go! Natutunan kayo guys sa tinuro nating 7-step mixed with the knee style footworks. Maraming salamat po. Come on, let's go!
Eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate.